We are going to continue with the K method and we are going to take some higher order thinking questions in this. So we have A by B equal to C by D equal to E by F. Now we know that this step is very important. We have to write A by B is equal to C by D is equal to E by F equals to K. So we'll get the value of A as BK because A by B is equal to K. We'll get the value of C as DK and we'll also get the value of E as FK. So we are going to replace in the entire question now A, B and A, C and E. Right? We are going to replace only A, C and E. So let me write these values here again. I have now A as BK, I have C as DK and I have E as FK. I'm going to replace only A, C, E. Rest I'm not going to touch. Fine, let me take the left hand side here. What is my left hand side? My left hand side is A square by B square. What is my A? BK. So I'll substitute this as BK divided by, now since this is A square, so this will be B square K square, and then in the division I have B square plus C square. This becomes D square K square divided by D square. I have D square here and E square I can write as F square K square, and in the denominator I have F square. Right? Okay, now what will I do? I'll cancel B square and B square, D square and D square, F square and F square. So what am I left with? I'm left with K square plus K square plus K square. So K square plus K square plus K square is equal to 3K square. Fine. Let me check what will I get in the right hand side. Okay. This is my right hand side. I have A into C here. So I can replace A as BK. So I'll write BK into, I can replace C as DK. And in the denominator I have B and D. Both I don't have to change. I have to write them as it is. Then plus C I have to replace as DK into E I have to replace as FK. And in the denominator I have DF plus A I can replace as BK into E I can replace as FK, and in the denominator I have BF. Now what will happen? I'll get rid of this B and D here, so I'm left with K square plus D and D will go, F and F will go. Again I'm left with K square. Here B and B will go, F and F will go, I'm left with K square. So this is again 3K square. So is my left hand side equal to right hand side? Yes. So I can write that left hand side is equal to the right hand side. Right? Okay. Here again one more. I'll write this step. Let A by B is equal to C by D is equal to E by F equal to K. So my A will be BK, my C will be DK and my E will be FK. Now I have to replace only these three in the questions. So let me take my left hand side. What is my left hand side? I have B into D into F. I'll write them as it is. Why? Because I don't have to replace them. Then here in place of A I'll write BK, then plus B. I don't replace B, and then I have B here also. So C I can replace as DK, and then I will write D as it is divided by D plus E I can replace as FK plus F and then F, and this is happening inside the whole cube. Now this will become BDF here into, I can take B common in the numerator, I'll get K plus 1, and here I have B. Similarly I can take D common, I'll have K plus 1 and then D plus I can take f common. I'll have k plus 1 and then f here. So b and b will go, d and d will go, f and f will go. So I have b, d, f into, now you have k plus k plus k. That means 3k. Plus you have something else, 1 plus 1 plus 1, that is 3. Right? So between these two terms you can take 3 common. So you can write BDF, and if you take 3 common you will get k plus 1. So your BDF into, this becomes 27 and this becomes k plus 1 whole cube. So finally you got 27 BDF into k plus 1 whole cube. Right? So this is your left hand side. Let's see how we can solve the right hand side. Okay, in the right hand side part I have 27, so I'll write 27 as it is. In place of a I will write bk, then I have b, I'll write it as it is. In place of c I can write dk, and then I have d, I'll write it as it is. Then in place of e I can write fk and then f. Right? Now here you can see that between this term and this term, here we can take b common and inside I'll get k plus 1. Here I can take d common, inside I can get k plus 1. Here also I can take f common, so inside I'm getting k plus 1. Now let me combine all this. I have 27, then b into d into f, so I will write b d f. Then I have k plus 1 into k plus 1 into k plus 1, so that is k plus 1 whole cube. Let me check my left hand side. 27 BDF into k plus 1 whole cube. So I am getting my left hand side is equal to the right hand side. Right? Okay. Let's go to another one. Now we are clear that my A is BK, my C is DK, and my E is FK. We are going to replace only these in the questions. So here there is one correction. Instead of plus, this is multiplication. Let me take the left hand side here first. I have b square plus d square plus f square. What does that mean? I have to keep it as it is. I don't have to change b square, d square and f square. Now here I can convert a square into b square k square, c square into d square k square, and e square into f square k square. Right? So here I have b square plus d square plus f square. Here I can take k square common. So what will I get? I'll get b square plus d square plus f square. Right? Now let me combine these two. B square plus d square plus f square into b square plus d square plus f square is b square plus d square plus f square whole square. Right? And this k square is also there. This is my left hand side now. Let me go to the right hand side. Fine. Okay. Now in the right hand side I have a. So I will replace a by bk. And then I have b also. I will write it as b only. C I can replace as dk into d. Plus e I can replace as fk into f. Right? This is happening inside the square. Now b square, this becomes b square k plus d square k plus f square k whole square. Now inside I can take k as common. What will I get? B square plus d square plus f square, and this is happening inside the square. Now if I write the square of this separately, these two terms separately, it will be k square into b square plus d square plus f square whole square. What is my left hand side? Exactly same. So my left hand side is equal to the right hand side. right? Let's go to the last one. Same. Now I know that A is equal to BK, my C is equal to DK, and my E is equal to FK. Don't forget to write let A by B is equal to C by D. As I told you earlier also, it's very important from the board point of view. Then you can write this step. Okay, now let's take the left hand side part. What is my left hand side? A cube. So I can write B cube, K cube, plus C cube, that is D cube, K cube, plus E cube, that is F cube, K cube, and in the denominator I have B cube plus D cube plus F cube, right? Okay, let's see if we can take anything common. Yes, in the numerator we can take K cube common. What are we left with? B cube plus D cube plus F cube. And what do we have in the denominator? B cube plus D cube plus F cube. Now these two terms are same. We can cancel them and we got K cube in the left hand side. Let's solve the right hand side part and see what we get. We have A, we can replace that as BK, into C as DK, into E as FK, and in the denominator I have B into D into F. I don't have to do anything with that. Now this B and this B will go, this D and this D will go, this F and this F will go. I am left with K into K into K. So how much is that? K cube. What is my left hand side? K cube. What is my right hand side? K cube. So I got my left hand side equal to right hand side.